Alright, today I got this TriStar Hunter with the 3.5-inch chambers. I got this gun. It was involved in a fire or bad smoke in a sporting goods store, and the gentleman there sold it to me for $100. And I Cerakoted the barrels, dark green, painted the stocks, put me a rail on, and it's put me a little sight mark micro red dot on it, and set it up for a turkey gun. And we're gonna sight it in and see how it does. I got a couple some toy custom turkey choke tubes in the end of it. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna try one at the bottom there. Looks like it done a good job. I know that's bird shot, but pretty good pattern at 35.